Hey, if you want to turn off Talkback on POCO C75, you can for sure do this. First of all, we have to open settings. And if you have up drawer, like in my case, and you don't have this, settings icon on the screen, then you will have to swipe up with your two fingers. There we go. And keep scrolling always with your two fingers. When you try to do this with one finger, it's not working. So, select settings, and when you get this green indicator around, just do this one more time, but two times. So basically, if you want to select something, you have to tap on it once and then quickly double tap. Now scroll all the way down, select additional settings, go to accessibility, go to vision, go to Talkback, and now click on the switcher and select stop. And it's finished.